He's have fun. What is that? Sand. We do not go to the park enough, obviously. Hi, boys. Cayman has figured out how to get on top of the couch now. Don't give him a big one like that, baby. It's too big. Here, let's get your little pieces, okay? Here, you have that one. Thanks for sharing, though, honey. That was nice. Here. Cayman put his on the floor again.
Look at. Meow.
Meow. Silly girl. Okay, here, look. There's your chicken. Yay! I love that face. Cayman, look at Mama. Can you do it? There it is.
Sit down on the couch.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Bye. What are you gonna have?
A spa.
You're making a spa out of all these leaves?
Yeah.
Oh!
What did you do?
Hey, silly Billy!
That.
Cayman. Cayman. Someone's tired. Are you figuring out how to go? So what do you do at your spa? What's the spa specialty?
Rub some of the pollen on your tummy.
You rub pollen on my tummy? And what will it do for my tummy?
It'll make it feel soft and nice.
What if I want my tummy to feel actually hard, not soft? Hard and muscly instead of soft and pudgy.
For that, we would use. We actually use like dirt on your tummy.
Dirt?
Yeah. And then you'll feel strong. Mommy, what are you saying? Oopsies, because the Danny will slip right off your hand.
Oh, what book is that?
It's one of my favorite books.
One of your other favorite books?
Yeah. Where'd I put it?
Kane, are you still going to have a haunted house party for your birthday this?
Yeah.
You are?
Where'd I put it?
In April.
Where'd I put
Go put it in the house so it doesn't get ruined. Kane's birthday is in April. Last year he had skeleton, and the year before he had monster. Oh my gosh, there's a bunny.
What?
There's a bunny.
A bunny?
See if I can see it.
Where?
Well, hold on. We don't want to scare it. It's right
Yeah.
there. Woo! He just ran off. Did you see it? Cayman!
I didn't see it at all.
It ran off that way.
Yeah.
I still see it. It's in Rhonda's old house yard. Over there somewhere.
Yeah.
My crackle polish needs to come off my fingers. And here was Kylie's pumpkin. That is from the book
Cookies we
Cookies Week. They had to, for their literature parade, have a pumpkin to go along. Hey, hey,
Mommy, why'd you have to say that?
because your brother was messing with it.
Hey, man, let's stop.
Oh. Okay.